and welcome back again to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Amazon Employee account. Amazon Employee is a web portal for employees to check their work schedule, and employees are required to log into their account in order to do so. To learn how you can log into Amazon Employee, keep watching the video till the end. Subscribe to Login Helps if you aren't yet, and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go to your web browser on your computer and search for Amazon Employee Login. From the search results, click on force.com, and doing so will take you to a sign-in page. Enter your Amazon username first and then your password to your Amazon Employee account. In case you forgot the password, go and click on Forgot Password link provided over here and follow the instructions to reset your forgotten password. To create a new account, click on the Sign Up button and register for a new account. If you want the system to remember you, click on the Remember Me box. After you're done filling all the credentials, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into your Amazon Employee account. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to leave us a comment. I'll be back again with tutorials like this soon. Thank you for watching the video till the end.